Hey everyone, it's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. So today I've got this BMW GS 1300, and this bike actually belongs to the founder of Rocky Mountain. And he bought it, rode it just stock for a while, came back and said, hey, these handlebars are a little too low. Let's raise them up a little bit. So for that reason, we built the Tusk Handlebar Risers for this bike specifically. These are made from high quality built aluminum, and these are gonna add just over an inch of rise to your handlebars. So if you're in that same boat where you feel like the bars are just too low, this is a quick, easy way to add some rise to those. We do provide longer bolts for mounting, but yeah, simple, easy. They look nice and clean and seamless. And as you can see on this bike, we've got some other great accessories from Tusk already installed. We've got the pannier racks with the top rack, high quality adventure skid plate installed, crash bars. We even have these auxiliary light mounts up here in the front. So again, for the GS 1300, if you want to add some rise to your bars, these handlebar risers from Tusk, simple, easy to do that. If you have questions, comments, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab these and just to see everything that will fit your bike, all you got to do is just click on the link down in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. In fact, on our homepage, if you enter the year, make, and model of any motorcycle you have, you will see everything that will fit your bike. If you want to stay up to date on products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.